Hi guys, it's Shalini. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be step-by-step makeup tutorial for Raksha Bandhan, coming festivals, जन्माष्टमी। आज का जो लुक है वो बहुत ही सिंपल है। मैं आपको सारे टिप्स और ट्रिक्स भी बताऊंगी जो मैंने कुछ नए सीखे हैं। So without further ado, let's begin with today's video. So this is what my bare face looks like. I know I look tired, but anyway guys, I've already done my skincare routine. The next thing that I'm doing is applying setting spray all over my face. This is going to act as a primer, and yes, I got a pimple on my chin, so my chin looks kind of weird today. Next up, I'm using LA Girl Orange Corrector to color correct around my lips. मेरे लिप्स के आसपास का एरिया हल्का सा पिगमेंटेड है, तो मैं फाउंडेशन जब लगाती हूँ तो वो ऐशी कभी कभार दिखता है. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम कलर करेक्टिंग अराउंड माई लिप्स. सो द ट्रिक हियर इज दैट यू वांट टू मेक श्योर दैट यू यूजिंग वेरी मिनिमम अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. सो मैंने अपने फिंगर्स की मदद से प्रोडक्ट को ब्लेंड किया. उसके बाद आप देख सकते हो कि प्रोडक्ट काफी ज्यादा दिख रहा था मेरे स्किन पे, सो आई यूज्ड अ फाउंडेशन ब्रश टू इवनली ब्लेंड द प्रोडक्ट. नाउ आई वोंट बी यूजिंग कलर करेक्टर अंडर माई आईज. इंस्टेड आई विल बी यूजिंग Maybelline Age Refined Concealer in the shade Caramel. This is going to act as a color corrector and also going to conceal my under eye dark circles, which is happening. You guys can see that. So मैंने काफी थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट यूज किया, and then I will blend the product using my fingers. Make sure that I have cleaned your fingers properly क्योंकि आपने कलर करेक्टर यूज किया था. So I cleaned my fingers before blending the product on my skin. For foundation, I'm going to use Maybelline Superstay Foundation in the shade 312. This is a really great foundation for the people who have combination skin. I will use one pump of this foundation और मैंने इसको अपने cheeks पे अप्लाई किया around my lips, on my neck और थोड़ा सा on my forehead. I also sprayed one pump of that setting spray. उसके बाद I will use my Sani brush. This is a foundation brush and I will press the product into my skin to blend the product. I also applied some more foundation around my lips and then I blended it with the help of my brush again. Although I'm using foundation brush here, you don't really have to use foundation brush. You can also use your beauty blender. Sometimes I like to use beauty blender also. Now I'm going to highlight the under eye area and also the bridge of my nose. For that I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium. This is such a beautiful highlighting shade for my skin tone. आप लोग देख सकते हो कि मैंने बहुत ही कम प्रोडक्ट यूज किया है and I'm going to blend that product with the help of my ring finger again. So I'm pressing the product into my skin. I'm making sure I'm not moving that product a lot. To set the under eye area, I'm going to यूज फेसेस मिनरल लूज पाउडर. ये पाउडर खत्म होने वाला है तो मैंने अपने हाथों में थोड़ा सा इसको निकाल के एक फाउंडेशन फ्लैट ब्रश की मदद से इसको अपने अंडर आई एरिया पे अच्छे से पैट किया है. एंड देन आई ऑल्सो यूज दैट प्रोडक्ट ऑन माई टी जोन एरिया एंड अराउंड माई लिप्स. दिस इज अ ब्यूटिफुल प्रोडक्ट. यू नो, आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई स्टॉप्ड यूजिंग दिस, सो आई जस्ट rediscovered it. This was just lying on my vanity. It's time to do my eyebrows. So first I combed my eyebrows and then I'm going to use this Bolly Glow Shape and Set Dark Chocolate Eyebrow Pencil. So using the pencil side, I'm going to fill up the sparse areas of my eyebrows and then using the other side of this eyebrow product जहाँ पे एक gel आता है, I'm going to set my eyebrows in the upward direction. So आप लोग देख सकते हो एक feathery सा effect देता है. Anyway, I will be using some other product also on my eyebrows to set them more and to make sure that they will be intact. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going to use this blending brush by Color Bar and this Reloaded eyeshadow palette by Makeup Revolution. I've picked that matte brick red color, mix it with that cream color and I'm going to place it on my crease, also on my lid, and I'm going to create that cat eye effect with the help of these colors. Using Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade Black, I'm going to apply that on my eyelid, very close to my lash line actually, because we'll be smudging it anyway. And I also tight lined my eyes using that kajal. So smudge करने के लिए मैंने use किया this angular shape brush. This came in a set from Sani. You can use any flat eyeshadow brush to blend that kajal, you know. Now I'm going to use this blue kajal again by Lakme Iconic Range and I'm going to apply that on the 3/4 of my lower lash line. I'm going to create a very thick bold kajal look on my lower lash line और ये कलर काफ़ी सुंदर है. I really like this kind of blue colors, you know, काफ़ी bright सा effect देता है आपकी आँखों को. And I'm going to blend the harsh line of that kajal using that cream color again. So I'm picking that color with the help of that angular shape brush that we used to blend the black kajal, remember? So जब हम अपने lower lash line को blend कर रहे हैं ना तो उसमें हल्का सा cream है, हल्का सा black है, तो वो बहुत ही smoky सा effect देता है, काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है. Later I intensified that smoky effect of our eyelid with the help of that black kajal again and then I blended it with the help of that angular brush again. Now I'm setting my eyebrows in place, जो कि मैं करना भूल गई थी. For that I'm using Nykaa Oh My Brow Eyebrow Mascara. I'm pushing that product into my skin like in the upper direction, and that gives me a very beautiful feathery effect. Now I'm going to quickly contour my nose. For that I'm using that same blending brush जिसकी मदद से हमने अपने crease colors को blend किया था without picking any extra product. I'm going to create a 2 straight line on the bridge of my nose and also the tip of my nose, and then I'm going to blend it with the help of my fingers. क्योंकि जो हमने crease colors use किए थे, that is kind of a warm earthy tone, good for contouring, especially for my skin tones. Now I'm going to use a pencil brush and I'm going to use my setting spray. I'm going to wet my pencil brush and then pick this beautiful champagne color from this Makeup Revolution palette again, and I'm going to apply that on the 1/4 of my lower lash line. And you guys can see that because I used setting spray, the intensity is just bang on. And guys, Sani की जो मैं brushes use कर रही हूँ, that came in a set. I will give you some alternate option in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. I also highlighted the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and also my brow bones. And now I'm going to curl my eyelashes using this eyelash color by Miniso, and then I'm going to use this waterproof mascara. This is by L'Oreal. This is their Lash Paradise mascara. I love this mascara, and मैंने बहुत अच्छे से अपने upper eyelashes को coat किया, and then I'm going to coat my lower lashes. And you want to make sure that you're not going all in, otherwise वो जो blue आपने काजल लगाया था ना नीचे, वो black दिखने लगेगा. So you want to like very softly apply that and coat that on your lower lash line. For blush, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Wine. I love this blush. इसमें हल्का सा शीन आता है, तो इसको जब आप लगाते हो ना, तो आपको हाइलाइटर लगाने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है स्किन में. So I'm going to pick this product with the help of this angular shape brush by Wet n Wild, and I'm going to contour my face with the help of this blush. So पहले मैं आज blush लगा रही हूँ, उसके बाद मैं अपने face को contour करूँगी. And I also applied that blush on my nose, little bit on my chin. It looks good, you know, जब आपकी nose पे blush होता है या chin पे होता है. And I've used more than usual क्योंकि blush is the first product that fades away from your face. Now to contour my face, I'm going to use Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Palette. ये palette बहुत ही खराब हालत में. I know that. I'm trying to finish this product. So I picked this using this pack brush and then I applied that on my cheeks. So I'm blending that contour product with my blush color. You guys can see that. And after that, I applied that color on my forehead and also on my jawline. Now I'm going to quickly apply some lip balm on my lips, and then I'm going to remove the excess lip balm on the back of my head. We want to make sure that we don't have much foundation on our lips. For lipstick, I'm using Nykaa Matte to Last Liquid Lipstick in the shade Kashi, and then I'm going to apply that all over my lips. Lastly, I'm using this setting spray by Makeup Revolution, and with that we completed this beautiful Indian makeup look, so apt for coming festivals guys. अगर आप ये look create करोगे तो मुझे Instagram पे pictures भेजना मत भूलना, मुझे tag करना मत भूलना. comment section में मुझे बताओ कि आपको ये look कैसा लगा. बहुत ही easy इसको create करना, मैंने step by step आपको सब कुछ समझाया है. I really hope you found this video informative and helpful, and if you did, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It will really mean a lot to me. And like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you all next time with brand new content for this channel. Keep on washing your hands and keep on watching my videos. Bye.